In construction, speed and precision matter, but what really drives progress is power. And power is exactly what you'll find behind me, on standby, on demand, and ready to move. I'm here with Marwan, a name synonymous with scale, reliability, and innovation. And for 3 years in a row, they've been crowned the GCC Equipment Rental Company of the Year. That's not a title, it's a testament to the leadership at every level. This yard, just a glimpse of Marwan's fleet spanning over 3,000 plus machines, from nimble excavators to 200-ton beasts designed to conquer any job in any conditions. We're talking about dozers that move mountains and loaders that don't stop for anything. But here's the most impressive part about Marwan. They don't just rent machines, they custom engineer them and build them in-house. The machines are built for the most demanding environments in a workshop that spans over 1 million square feet. Whether it's bulldozers in Sharjah, long booms in Abu Dhabi, or cranes towering over Saudi Arabia, Marwan's machines are out there shaping skylines and pushing the limits. Need a 26-metre long boom? Done. A floating excavator for dredging in soft terrains? All built right here to spec. This is innovation that meets boots on the ground reality. Just when you think the fleet couldn't get bigger, it does. To provide clients with the newest and best machinery, Marwan has added an impressive selection of new Volvo trucks, the latest model of bulldozers, and other modern equipment including Sinoboom manlifts that can reach a staggering 56 metres, and a lineup of forklifts. From the ground level to the clouds, Marwan has it covered. Across the UAE, Saudi Arabia, Oman and beyond, Marwan is a partner trusted by major contractors and developers. With over 47 years of legacy and leadership, they're not just keeping up, they're setting the pace.